Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be opening my March Bomibox. Let's take a moment to enjoy this really beautiful box. My God, it's so fun and lovely. Wow. Bomibox is a Korean beauty subscription. In case this is your first time stopping by here at my channel, this is their largest package. They have 3 now. So they have a Bomi bag for 20 bucks. They have like a mini Bomibox. I don't know if that's exactly what it's called. I will leave the description below. That should be somewhere between Bomibox and Bomi bag. And they have Bomibox, which is about 38 bucks a month. And so let's check her out. Pretty. Ooh. Get these little dilly balls out of the way. What? Oh my gosh. You can see it's looking vibrant in here. Wow. This looks, it's an aloe vera. I've gotten a lot of aloe vera in Korean beauty boxes. They really dig aloe vera. As far as me, like, I grew up with aloe vera in the house and, you know, as a treatment for burns and whatnot. But this is Aloe 92% by Catlica. Oh, it's a shower gel. So cool. I've never gotten a shower gel. Snail Bee High Content Essence by Benton. I can't read what this says. We got a little Rovectin Skin Essentials Activating Treatment Lotion, which sometimes it doesn't, whoa, it's got a weird little consistency. I thought it was a skin, but it's just a really watery, clear lotion. That's really neat. Can you kind of see the movement? Weird. Cool, but weird. I've tried this before. Actually, a lot of stuff I have from here before. Not that I'm complaining because they're some of my favorite items. Pyongyang Yule Essence Toner. I've had this before and I love it. Oh my God. I love Beauty Water by Sun & Park, and it's little. And so I'm going to probably take it on my trip with me. Sun & Park Beauty Water smells like heaven. And it's a really nice multi-purpose sealed, but I can kind of, it's a really nice clean smell. Sun & Park Beauty Water. I personally have used it as a toner, but it's got a lot of uses depending on how you want to use it. And then, ooh, we got some really colorful masks. I'm sorry for my skin, SOS Jelly Mask, and a Pure Essence Majesty Cucumber. Wow, awesome. I'm digging it. So let me just give a disclaimer. I love Bomibox, but I hate having no insert. I hate it. I hate it, Bomibox. Please, God, you used to have beautiful little inserts. Please bring them back. Anyways, that was my thing. I have to look it up on my phone. So Benton Snail Bee High Content Essence, which is this. It's basically, after cleansing and toning, take 1 to 2 pumps of essence and massage evenly into face and neck. Then pat, pat, pat. Pat, 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 pat. All stuff around your face. Beauty of Joseon Apricot Peeling Gel. That's this stuff, which I cannot read because it's written in, my guess is Korean. It's a moisturizing gel type peeling gel that exfoliates for a glowing skin. Apple fruit extract creates skin barrier to combat aging and brighten skin. Eliminates dead skin cells mildly by forming a protective polymer on the skin. After washing your face, take an appropriate amount and massage lightly across your face for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Use 1 to 2 times a week maximum. Oh, use 1 to 2 times a week for maximum results. This is so cute. I love this thing here. This is Catlica Aloe 92 shower gel. Just the packaging, it's so freaking cool. It contains 92% fermented aloe vera leaf juice. Apply to a sponge when bathing or showering. Massage across your body and rinse. Sun & Park Beauty Water Mini. Originally created by master artist Sun & Park, Beauty Water lives up to its name It's not just a cleanser, but it mildly exfoliates with willow bark and papaya extract to help sweep away dead skin cells, revealing brighter skin tone and smoother texture. It's gentle enough for all skin types. Moisten a cotton pad and gently swipe across face. Beauty water is ideal as a toner before application of the rest of your skincare products to remove remaining impurities after cleansing, as a way to freshen up your face during the day. It really is really versatile. And then Pyongyang Essence Toner. It's an ingenious, intensely hydrating formula designed to deliver nutrient-filled moisture to skin. Water is not present here, as 91.3% of this toner is milk vetch root extract, full of skin beneficial betaine and minerals. With the antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, nutrient-based properties of the root extract, this gel-type toner quickly absorbs to hydrate and strengthen skin. Use after your water-based cleanser. Apply to your skin and gently tap for maximum absorption. Then there's Rovectin Skin Essentials Activating Treatment Lotion. It's a pure, gentle formula that enhances the look and feel of your skin with both immediate results and lasting benefits. So basically, dispense a dime-sized amount of activating treatment lotion onto your palm or a cotton pad. Gently pat into your skin to absorb. And then the mask and the other mask, our basic sheet mask. So that was a pretty freaking cool box. I'm really pleased with it. A lot of these items are like classic, really cool items that are kind of like cold classics, I guess. Things that really people like in Korea, and I'm really excited to try a couple new things, but also to get some old favorites. So yeah, this is Bomibox this month. They hit it out of the park. Awesome job, Bomibox. I love it. Bomibox March. They have 3 different subscription types for you to fit your budget and your needs. So check them out. I'll leave the information in the description below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all of your support. I love you guys. Thank you so much. I hope you'll stick with me as we keep going through this and adding some new content in the future. It's just been really busy. But anyways, as always, please like, give me some comments, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Have a good night.